What is up, guys? No, you should voice over it. What is up, guys? Because like you did curse a little bit. What is up, guys? Caller Shore. Today we are going to be announcing the competition giveaway contestants. So basically, if you guys didn't know, the huge Murder Mystery 2 2K sub assassin giveaway, I'm going to be selecting 3 winners, putting their users here, friending them, and then locking the VIP to where only these users can show up for Saturday to compete. So basically, we're going to do the same thing as always. Take the link, Control C. Go to the YouTube random comment generator, replace it, bada bing, bada boom, get YouTube comments. We have about 77 unique comments, so we're going to start. All right, this is the first winner, so we're going to take his username, Control C, put it in the doc. This is our first one. Oh wait, not a capital. All right, so this is our first winner. Okay, so now time to pick the next winner. So we're gonna. Okay, sorry about that. So we're gonna pick the second winner. So we're gonna start pick another random winner out of 77 unique comments. Who is it gonna be? Looks like our next winner is Hoodie Boy Plays. So driving hazard. Hoodie Boy! It's my guy, bro. No, it's fine. They can't hear you anyways. So it's like... Holy crap. Oh, hey, I also got the payload, but it's all good. Alright, gotta change the text to black. Gotta no highlight. Alright, so this is our second winner. Time to pick the third winner. Pick another winner. Looks like Rain Dinos will be joining us. This is actually one of my good friends. Very surprised that this happened. But congratulations, Rain Dinos. You are in the competition. All right, time to pick our fourth winner. No, it's fine. Yeah, I'm almost done. I'm just picking the last winners. So, all right. So you have like an hour or like 30 minutes, right? I should be done. It's showing 15. Anyways, so here is the next winner. I done this in town the weekend on ice. Oh, well, man, they don't really have a Roblox username, so rip. Next winner. All right. Looks like the fourth winner is Zalax. Hey, bro, I love your vids. I hope I win the minty. Well, now you have a chance. This is the user. So we're just going to copy paste it to the Google Doc as our fourth contestant. None. Black text color. Alrighty. Time to pick the fifth winner, or the fifth contestant. Alrighty. Mr. Leaf, username Kermy_Z. Hope I win. Best of luck to everyone. Well, congratulations. You have been selected to compete in the assassin competition. Alrighty. None. Oh, dude, I don't know. It's the real Mr. Leaf, though. Alrighty. This is the sixth winner that we are picking. Alrighty, our sixth winner is... I got proof. Please help me. Oh, oof. Sorry, bro. Alright, pick another one. Come on, guys. Even if you're just regularly commenting, put your username. So if I like select you for a giveaway, I can help you. Winner Neon Cat, username Neon Cat CH. Well, congratulations. You have been selected to compete in my competition. Oh, yo, my bad, bro. Who are you, by the way? Like, I actually like like the new guy. What's his name? Like what's his name? What's his name? What's his name? His name is Spit. Who is that? All right, looks like we're picking the seventh winner. No, I just had a voice crack there. Nice. Alternative name. So it looks like we have our next winner. Let's add. Is that actually a Roblox username? Alrighty, black text. So we have our, oh, oof, I didn't get rid of the highlight. Anyways, alright, so we have our next winner here. Time to, let me just like yeet these down here so I have like more room. Alrighty, time to pick our 8th winner. So we got 2 more people, 2 more chances. Pick another winner. Our 8th winner for the competition contestant is Rainbow Seer. Oh, looks like he got, oh, we already got him. We're gonna have to pick another one. Pick another winner. Start. Alrighty. Mr. Top 10. Some kind of godly. Username MB Legend 2. Well, congratulations. You have been selected to compete for a assassin item or a godly. No highlight. All right, time to select the final contestant that was randomly generated. Candy says he hopes the same. All right, time to start. Here's a random generator. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be for our final contestant? We have 2020 Arctic. Username Colin Swagman Alt 12. Nice. Congratulations, whoever this person is. You have been selected to compete in my competition. Good luck. By the way, guys, I'm in Central Standard Time. I'm gonna be busy, but a good time that I feel like I will start the giveaway or like the competition is. So I'll probably do it 8 to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time since I live in Houston. So big important thing. I'm gonna friend all of you, and then I'm going to put you in the VIP and lock it so that only you guys can compete. Of course, me being there as well. But yeah, that's that. We're going to be competing for assassin items. Just so you guys know, we're going to take a list at all the really cool stuff I have in my inventory. I have all these beautiful exotics. Also, Paladin winner, please come claim your giveaway. I friended you, but you still have yet to friend me back. I am very saddened that you do not want your godly. But yeah, I have all these exotics. I'm going to be letting you guys compete for them. Maybe some Murder Mystery 2 items as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, looks like we have a hacker. Oh, oh, there's a hacker in the game. I can't, like, he's so laggy. He like messed up my keyboard. Assassin. I don't know what he did, but like my thing is laggy. I can't even move. Hacker. Hacker. All right. Okay, there we go. I don't know how much value this guy wants to offer my Spring Saber, but he's offering me his Autumn Saber, Dark Horse. I should put the crescendo in the trade. Like, hey, take my crescendo. Dude, accept this trade. I actually don't know how. I don't know like this stuff. Yes. All right, but yeah, that is pretty much it. These are the giveaway winners. Please, I'm gonna add you, or if you have me added, I will add you. I have to go through my friends list and unfriend a bunch of people that are inactive. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are the contestants who will compete. Dude, come on, stop bullying me. All right. All right. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop a like. These are the 9 winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And yeah, I will see you guys later.